Okay, so this is how I made $3,800 today on Top Step. Let's pull this back up. I'm going to show you exactly how we range traded. It's actually a really boring market, but we range traded because you can see that throughout the day, you know, we kept failing. So it was pretty obvious that that was going to keep happening. We just failed to make a new high, so we would short it all the way back down, and we would just scalp. That's it. And then we would buy here, and what you do is you DCA. You'd buy there, and then you'd buy some more if it went lower, right? And then you would just target this, right? You would literally just target the opposite side every single time, and you kept failing. You failed again. So what do you do when you fail? You target the other side, right? And then here again, you failed again, you know. So we target the other side, right? And that's just all that happened. We just went back and forth like 5 times, back and forth, and then again right here, right? Failed. So we target the other side, right? Eventually, what happened was we broke it, right? So once we break it, well, that's when your opportunities get out at break even, okay? Or you could have gotten out in a profit still. Like even if you shorted here, you could have still gotten out in a profit. But once it breaks out, you know, time to close up the shop. And then I ended up taking a larger short up here once Trump started speaking. And the reason being is the 4-hour candle here, right? We were in a downtrend. Again, it was another scalp. It was literally that level there, right? Shows nothing on the 4-hour, but this is dumb money concepts. You can take scalps, right? And I'll show you. Look at this, right? We shorted that, right? 4-hour, and you'll see the level. I'll show you how it worked, right? Literally touched it and then went down. It was a scalp. I'm telling you, it was this. That's all it was. Went down, hit the profit target. The reason why I profited off of that level, this is what the level is, and it's not because it's an FVG. No, I'm not an ICT trader. It's because that's the level. Let me show you the level, right? This is the level. On the 1-hour, sorry, right here. Let me delete all this so you can see. This is the level. Do you see? It's exactly that level. Okay, so on the 5-minute, that's where we exited. Not because it's some sort of silly FEG, it's because that's the level. And the levels will be respected perfectly. So this was the major trade I took today. Little scalps throughout the day. But then, you know, it was I think we made 20 something, like $2,000 off of just that, right? Off of just that move. Just that quick boop. That's it. You can't even see it. It was a 5-minute trade, right? Up and down instantly, basically. Boom. And then it went back up. Anyways, guys, that was the day. $3,800.